Hello dear students, I am Mr. Pratik, Mathematics faculty of class 8, Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today I am explaining you how to find square root by prime factorization method and by repeated subtraction method. First part, prime factorization method, square root of 729. Prime factorization means to do factorization of the given number by using prime values, by using prime numbers. 729 is an odd number which will not be divisible by the very first prime number 2. We'll come to 3, it will be divided by 3. 3 say 243 times 729. Again 243 will be divided by 3. 3 say 8 are 24, 3 1s are 3. 3 say 27 times 81. 3 say 27 times 81. After that 3 say 9 times 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. In square root we see the values are making pairs or not. This 3 is making pair. Again these 2 times 3 is making a pair. Again these 2 times 3 repetition is making a pair. So pair is written just once and the values are multiplied together. 2 times 3 one time, again 2 times 3 one time, again 2 times 3 one time, and product of these 3 values, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It means 729 is the square root of 27. Another value 9604 will be divided by 2, 4802 times, again by 2, 2401 times. Now this 2401 will be divided by 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 carry, 7 4s are 28, again 2, so 7 3s are 21. This 343 will be divided by 7, 7 say 49 times, 343, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Here repetition of 2 times, 1 time, again 7 2 times, product 1 time, again 7 2 times, again 1 time here. So 2 7s are 14, 14 7s are 98. It means 9604 is the square root of 98. Now square root by repeated subtraction method. As from the name only, repeated subtraction, we used to subtract the consecutive odd numbers. First of all, from this given number 64 we will subtract the very first odd natural number, that is 1. 64 minus 1, 63. From this remainder we will subtract another natural odd number 3. 63 minus 3, 60. From this answer 60 minus 5, another odd number after 3 is 5. So 60 minus 5, 55. Similarly 55 minus 7, 48. 48 minus 9, another odd number after 7 is 9. So 48 minus 9, 39. 39 minus 11, 28. 28 minus 13, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. When the remainder comes 0, then we have to stop. Then we have to count in how many steps this 0 remainder has come on doing repeated subtraction of consecutive odd numbers. Repeat. So here is step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This process is completed in 8 steps. This 64 has become remainder 0 in 8 steps. It means 64 is the square root of 8. This is by repeated subtraction method. Another 121. We already know that 121 is the square root of 11. It means it will be completed in 11 steps and remainder will come 0. See how. 121 minus 1, 120. 120 minus 3, 117. 117 minus 5, 112. 112 minus 7, 105. 107. 105 minus 9, 96. 96 minus 11, 85. 85 minus 13, 72. 72 minus 15, 57. 57 minus 17, 40. 40 minus 19, 21. 21 minus 21, 0. This 0 has become in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. It means 121 is the square root of 11 by repeated subtraction method. Thank you.